Hello, thanks for tuning in to today's broadcast. I am your host, Cedric the Credit Champion, and today we're going to talk about a couple of subjects. I'm going to share with you a key that I'm practicing. I heard from a millionaire. It's a secret key how to become wealthy. But before we go into that key, I want to ask you to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share the video with a friend. Now, if I can get every person who views this video to just share it with one person, it will greatly help the channel. Now, before we go into that secret key, I want to discuss the Georgia-Alabama game. Um, I made a video predicting that Georgia would win the last game, which was the SEC championship game, and Alabama, they ran away with that game. I mean, Alabama looked totally different. They did not look like the Alabama that played Auburn. They did not look like the Alabama that played at LSU. And I mean, they just ran away with the game. There's no other way to put it. And so, when you predict games, you intend or you anticipate that you're going to see the teams play the way they played in previous games. Well, that wasn't the case. Georgia did not look like themselves, but we give Alabama credit for making them not look like themselves. Now, here we play again. Georgia is favored to win the game. Do I believe that Georgia can win? Yes. Am I as confident that they will win as I was last time? No. And it's simply because, we could not stop the Heisman Trophy winner, Bryce Young, from connecting with Williams. Hopefully we can put two people on Williams, get pressure on Bryce Young, and walk away with the national championship. All right, so, I'm picking Georgia once again to win this game, and I'll make a follow-up video after the game has been played. Now, to that secret key, I wanted to share with you. The secret key, it may seem very simple, and it may seem as if it has nothing to do with you becoming rich, but it's been proven by individuals who have already become rich. And that is to read a chapter of Proverbs each day. Read one chapter of Proverbs at least each day for the next 12 months. And I heard this from a gentleman who became rich by doing this. He said that a gentleman who was a millionaire told him that if he would read a chapter of Proverbs every day, that by the end of the year he would be a millionaire. Well, this gentleman, he took that advice, but he proved his friend wrong. He did not become a millionaire in 12 months. He became a millionaire in 8 months. And so that just goes to show the power of reading the book of Proverbs. When you read Proverbs, you're reading a book that was written by the wisest man to ever live, King Solomon. He was also the richest man to ever live. God made a promise that there would not be a man ever as rich as King Solomon, which means that Jeff Bezos, Elon Musk, those guys are not as rich as King Solomon was rich. And so, I just want to encourage you to check out the book of Proverbs. Read a chapter each and every night. Now, if you find yourself having trouble reading a chapter of Proverbs, then you may have stumbled on to what is keeping you from becoming rich. I mean, if you're not disciplined enough to read a chapter, then discipline may be your problem. It may be that you can't stay focused on one thing long enough to see results. Maybe if you feel like, you're just lazy, you just don't do it. Well, that could be the problem as to why you're not having success financially. It could just be that you're lazy and you're not putting forth the human effort required. All right? And so you have to apply yourself to simply read that chapter each and every night, and I will continue to make follow-up videos just documenting my progress each and every month. Now, for the first month of January, I want to encourage you, if you haven't already, to get an Amazon FBA account so that you can start selling merchandise on Amazon. And I'm going to document my progress selling for Amazon. I'll make follow-up videos as well, but I want this to be a prosperous year, a prosperous 2022, not only for myself, but also for the viewers who view this channel. All right, I want to help you to become more successful. So stay connected to the channel. Keep listening to the motivation. I'm going to be putting out motivational videos Monday through Friday to help you stay focused, to help you reach your goals. And so let's just take it one day at a time. Make sure that each and every day you're doing something, one single thing to be productive. And don't forget the bottom line. The bottom line is, are you making money doing the thing that you are putting forth all this effort into? If not, you need to find something, a stream of income that's going to produce you some money. All right, get 7 or 8 streams of income that are working for you, and you'll be just fine in the year 2022. I'm sorry about that. And so, yes, I just want to keep you encouraged, keep you motivated by all means necessary. And so I was sharing with you the promotion that I just got from Discover. In my opinion, Discover has the best credit card out. If you want a credit card in 2022, I recommend the Discover Cashback credit card, because when I first got that card, they offered me 14 months, 0% interest. All right, with an $8,500 credit limit. So I used that full credit limit, and I didn't have to pay it back until 14 months had passed. Now, here it is. They've offered me another promotion. This one is 0.9% interest for 9 months. And you just can't beat that. All right? I have American Express, I have Navy Federal, I have Capital One. None of those other companies have offered me that kind of rate like Discover. And so that's why I am high on Discover. Hopefully American Express, Navy Federal, Capital One, they'll hear about what Discover is doing and they'll copy it. Because I'm telling you, the offers that Discover give you, they cause you to want to use their cards, right? Also, the cashback feature. When I first got my Discover card, they doubled my cash back. So if you were supposed to get $150 back, they gave you $300 cash back. So yeah, that's a card worth getting if you're in the market for a card this year. Also, check out business credit cards. Now, you'll need a credit score of at least about 720. 720. You should wait until you haven't applied for credit cards for about at least 3 months before you apply. That way, you give yourself the best chance to get good results. Also, one way that you can get business credit cards with American Express is you start off with the everyday card. If you get declined for a business credit card with American Express, you start off with the everyday card. If you get declined for the everyday card, then you start off with the Amazon American Express co-branded card. That is the easiest American Express card to get, the Amazon American Express co-branded card. All right, well, my phone's about to die, so I got to tune out at this time. Thank you for tuning in once again. This is Cedric Credit Champion. Remember, share the video, like the video, and subscribe to the channel. Till next time.